Hey guys, Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another quick tutorial, and today we are going to fix the problem of your mic cutting out when you get too loud in OBS. And before we get into it, I just want to say, if this video does help you today, please consider dropping a super like or engaging in any way, as it really does help me out. But let's get right into it, and the way to fix this problem is to set a limiter on your microphone. I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. So go to your microphone source that you're using in your scene. So I'm using it right here as mic. You're going to right click it, go to filters. You want to add a new audio filter, so hit the plus sign here and go to limiter. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to keep it as limiter. And you basically want to set a threshold. And I like to start at -4 and go from there to kind of test it. So set it to -4, close it, and then you're basically going to want to record a video, test your mic out, talk for like a minute or maybe two, and just kind of try different volumes, different inflections, and see if your mic keeps cutting out. If it is, then you want to go back to not properties. You want to go to filters and just change it to like 6, right? And see if that helps, and just kind of keep lowering the filter until it fixes your problem. Anyways guys, if this video helped, you know what to do.